In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a ClickUp task to multiple lists. If you want a single task to appear in more than one place without duplicating the work, ClickUp has a built-in feature that makes this possible. This is useful when the same task needs to be visible to different teams, projects, or workflows while still staying connected as one task. To get started, open ClickUp and click your Workspace avatar. This will open the menu where you can access settings and tools related to your workspace. From there, select Apps to open the App Center. Once you're in the App Center, open All Click Apps. This section contains optional features that can be turned on to expand what ClickUp can do in your workspace. Look for the Click app called Tasks in multiple lists and turn it on. If this feature is disabled, you won't be able to place one task in more than one list, so this step is important. After enabling it, open the task that you want to add to another list. Near the top of the task window, you'll see the task's current list location. Click that list location to open the task placement options. Next, select Add to another list. This tells ClickUp that you want the same task to appear somewhere else, in addition to its current list, rather than moving it completely. Now search for the additional list where you want the task to appear. As you type, ClickUp should help you find the correct destination more quickly, especially if your workspace contains a lot of lists. Once you see the right one, select the list name. After that, close the task and confirm that it appears in both lists. This final check helps make sure the task was added successfully and is now visible in both locations. Keep in mind that this is still the same task, so updates made in one place will be reflected in the other as well. That can help reduce confusion and prevent duplicate tasks from building up in your workspace. This is a simple but powerful way to keep work organized across different teams or categories without losing consistency. Thanks for watching.